What are you doing? Are you sitting in your corner reading?
Yeah, I
Ooh.
got the movie.
What is on your shirt? That is so scary. I'm scared.
No.
What is it?
This trick or treat.
It's just trick or treat? Will it hurt me?
No. No. Yeah, I'll protect you.
You'll protect me?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Are you shy?
Once upon a time, little boy with an horsey and a little goalie.
Read me another story. No, you can read me another story from that book. Here's the book.
I'm gonna read that story.
Okay.
I'm gonna read all these.